What I have for you today is instructions on how to program a Cadillac-style remote for a 2006 through 2013 Chevy Impala, 2014 through 2016 Impala Limited. And as an added bonus, flip key. This is from a seller on eBay named Artiway. I will leave a link in the description. So, first of all, if you have a 2011 or newer, you're going to need a programmer from Dorman, part number 99157. I'll leave a link in the description. And you need all your remotes that you're going to program at the same time. If you have a 2006 through 2010, you can just access it through your driver info center menu. So first thing we're going to do, get all your remotes together. I got my Fisher-Price original, my Cadillac, and my new flip key. We're going to do all three. Take my key, throw that in the ignition, turn it on, and then you're going to go down under the dash. You're going to plug in the programmer. Wait for it to buzz. Now, I'm going to take my Fisher-Price remote and hold down the lock and unlock button. You see it says remote key learning active. Okay, I'm going to take my Cadillac-style remote, hold down the lock and unlock at the same time until it buzzes. Okay, and now I'm going to do the same for my new flip key. Now we're finished. We can remove the programmer. Turn the engine on, or the switch off. We're going to verify operation. Lock, unlock. Trunk. I have not tried the remote start because I'm in a closed garage. Lock, unlock. Trunk. Lock, unlock. Trunk. Now, from the seller Artiway, this snazzy little flip key, I got to get in the light here. What I had done, it's only a 4-button. When you check out on PayPal, you mention in the seller notes that you like to switch the panic alarm to remote start. So I'm going to open the garage door. Close the door. We're going to see if this remote start works. Lock. Boom. Since it's like 100 degrees in my garage, my air comes on. So we're going to do the flip key. And naturally my trunk's open. Now here we go. Flip key on a 2012 Impala. And also Cadillac-style remote. Links will be in the description. Thanks for watching.